Hey guys, so before the video starts, I just gonna tell you that I said goodbye to the flat now, and it also the Hoover Dynamic Max washer dryer. You're seeing, guys, say goodbye. But now the new washer dryer, it's fully installed. Well, because I've got my hood up, it's starting to spit. So it's doing light rain. But anyway, before the video starts, because it's a brand new washing machine, I want to take care of it and make sure I do a quick wash to check for 7 things. I'm not going to tell you the 7 things, but the really good check of it is on the spin cycle to see if it just starts to, has a broken spider and starts to smoke. It's not actually a real spider, it's just a spider which the motor turns the spider, turns the belt, and it turns something which you see, and that's how it turns the drum, okay? But if there's a broken spider, then it'll start smoking. Even the drum, by the way, is moving up and down, just a bit slightly, but not much, okay? Enjoy. What's up, guys? Today we're doing a quick wash test of the washer dryer. So here's the pavement. This is what the house looks like. Got the living room, got upstairs here. I don't know what that is, something blue, it's like a triangle. You've got that window up there, you go through there, that's the garden. So this is the front door, this is what it looks like, okay? So, let's go ahead and get going on to it. So, ta-da! Here's the washer dryer. So, got quite a few different options. So first, this is the dispenser drawer. This is how big it is. It's a washer dryer. So in this case, instead of being a washing machine, it's actually a washer dryer. Got the dispenser drawer with the usual 3 compartments. So got pre-wash, main wash, fabric softener. This is the fabric softener, but I can't use that because no you can get it out. Anyway, this is how to open the door. There's no button to press. There isn't even any handle to press. Even this washer dryer, it came from AO.com. No, AO, this is where it came from. So here's how to open the door. Pull it and it opens. This is metal. As you can see, 10 kilograms for washing and 6 kilograms for tumble drying. As you can see, it's so big. Anyway, I'm now going to put it on a wash cycle. So first, once I press pause, it's going to be standing up, okay? Okay guys, it's lined up. So now we're going to do the wash test now. So let's select rapid 14-minute wash. This is how it comes out. There's a little song when you first turn it on. Washer forever, or rather, and Mr. Washer, because he's got attempting and good resin. So now we're going to start the wash now. This is to 40 degrees and 1400 spin. Play. I'm not even going to go to like close though. But you know what? If I do, then it'll go back to the default settings. But there we go. You know what? The guys, when you just in the feet, they didn't even adjust the feet, so. But anyway, watch this. They're going to rinse and spin, but watch. It comes out and touches the glass. That's so amazing to see. It's because it's one of the brand new ones, that's why. So yeah, there's that. So it's filled in the pre-wash powder and then the main wash powder. That's basically what it does, guys. And this is one of the brand new ones, if you know, guys. Or rather, you can't actually enter sales mode on this one, but you can actually change language on this. So yeah, there's that. Looks okay actually. There we go. 40 degrees. I'm going to do a test wash, okay? So see you at the spin cycle when I press pause, okay guys? It's moved position on the phone, guys. Well, guys, I'm back. So now we're going to do this. I'm now at the spin cycle now. Sorry I had to press pause because I didn't want to be too late, okay? Anyway, let's start the spin cycle. See if it smokes or not. Okay? Play. Oh, it didn't work that time. You know. 3, 2, 1, 0. There you go. Well, does that, instead of making a clicking noise as it locks, it actually makes a banging noise. Anyway, let's see if it smokes. It's quite doable then, you should get one because the old NX96 washing machine at the house, it didn't know how to run the cycle, but guys, didn't see that machine. But this sense is way better thing actually. So as you can see, the drum is moving up and down slightly. Let's skip these bursts. Something different went entirely different place. So here we go. We also happened that analysis line, guys, even. So, guys, but we didn't see what happened. Anyway, this is going to spin. So here we go. See if it smokes or not. Just trying to test and see if it does smoke. Okay, the noise it will be on is this. 900, 1200, 1400, okay. It's finished the spin cycle, but as you can see, there's no smoke. Even, what's this? This is a brand new way of seeing a door unlock. Instead of making a clicking noise, it even does a banging noise. But anyway, what's this? It unlocks the door straight away. It unlocks the door straight away, as you can see, guys. So, as you can see, guys, look, there's no smoke. The reason why is because it's brand new, but as I showed you already, there's rubber nearly touching the drum. Okay? You know what? I think I'm going to just do a spin race between the Candy smartphone and the Hoover Wizard remote, okay? Once I press pause, it's lined up, okay? Oh, actually, guys, wait a minute. Let me show you until that goes to a weird thing, okay? Guys? Until I press pause, it's on a weird thing, okay? Okay? Guys, in fact, it's not on a weird thing, so once I press pause, it's lined up, okay, guys? Guys, I'm back, so now, guys, there you go. It's lined up, guys. Anyway, let's turn this off now. And so it's something that comes off. It also plays a song too. So yeah. There you go. Yeah. Right. What I'm gonna do. So yeah, like that. Okay. See you outside. Okay, guys. So I'm outside. So currently, basically what happened, the washer dryer didn't smoke. Okay. So yeah. Okay, so see you at the spin cycle, okay? So yeah, I'm gonna do another video for the spin cycle, okay? Peace out, okay? See you next video, okay? See you later, bye. See you next video for the spin race, okay? See you later, bye.